Here we come to the elevators at Williams Center. These are US. We'll start by going down. US Circle from the 1980s. No plastic leveling. GAL interlock. Very nice cab. Even though these are original.
Got a P.
Yep, let's go down to parking. Door close button works. Digital indicator. Instant takeoff. Door closes when you push the button. Let's get our cab view. These are, you do have a mirror. There I am. Hi. These are circle button. Floor 5, let's see if we've got any classic leveling. Nope, not really. We do have instant takeoff. Let's end it at 1. Door close button works.
You can see these look like buttons. They are buttons.
Oh yeah, they use the same one. That's very ingenious engineering here. I like that. Capacity 3,000 pounds.
Yeah. Alright, here we are.
If you can actually push, you can't really do, nope, these don't do anything. They're dummy buttons.
Yeah, but take a look.
But here's another indicator, and they have also
Sound switched off.
that's either burned out or it's turned off.
That's it.
And one more. Here's a shot of the blank indicator. Anyways, that's gonna be it.